India covers just 2.4% of the world's land. It is home to over 17% of world's population. Let's have a look at the physiography of India. India's diverse landscape is a product of its geological history and is characterized by varied physiographic regions. The northern mountains, Himalayas, are divided into three parallel ranges: Greater Himalayas, Lesser Himalayas, and the Outer Himalayas. Beyond them lie the Trans-Himalayas, comprising the Jaskar, Ladakh, and Karakoram ranges. The Great Plains, stretching from Punjab to Assam, they are formed by the deposition of sediments by major rivers like Indus, Ganga, and Brahmaputra. Include regions like Punjab Plains, Haryana Plains, UP Plains, Bihar Plains, and Assam Plains. The Peninsular Plateau, this is a tableland made up of the old crystalline, igneous, and metamorphic rocks, divided into the Central Highlands, which lies north of the Narmada River, and the Deccan Plateau, south of the Narmada River. Major hill ranges include the Vindhyas, Satpuras, Western Ghats, and Eastern Ghats. The Indian Desert, located in the western part of India and primarily covers the state of Rajasthan, it is characterized by arid conditions, sparse vegetation, and extreme temperature variation. The coastal plains, western coastal plains, lies between the Western Ghat and the Arabian Sea, include regions like Konkan, Kannada, and Malabar coast. The eastern coastal plains lies between the Eastern Ghats and the Bay of Bengal, include regions like the Coromandel coast and the Utkal coast. The islands, Andaman and Nicobar Island, located in the Bay of Bengal and have a topography with hills, narrow valleys, and creeks. The Lakshadweep Islands, located in the Arabian Sea, primarily coral islands with low elevation and small surface area. With over 50% of its total land under cultivation, India stands as one of the world's top agricultural producers. The Gangetic Plain, the Deccan Plateau, and the coastal regions are the primary agrarian landscape. India is the world's second largest producer of both rice and wheat. States like Punjab, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh are termed the granaries of India. Cotton, sugarcane, and jute have been historically significant, with Maharashtra, Gujarat, and West Bengal being the primary producers. The Western Ghats, especially Kerala, are known for spices like black pepper and cardamom. Tea gardens in Assam and West Bengal and coffee plantation in Karnataka further enrich India's agricultural tapestry. Agriculture contributes around 15 to 16% to India's GDP. It employs over 50% of country's workforce, making it a vital sector both economically and socially. India faces challenges like land degradation, water scarcity, and outdated farming practices. However, with initiatives promoting sustainable agriculture, organic farming, and technological intervention, the country is poised to leverage its agricultural potential further. An essential chapter in India's agricultural journey is the Green Revolution of 1960s and 70s. By introducing high-yield variety seeds and modern farming techniques, it transformed India from a food-importing country to a self-sufficient nation in staple crops. Rapid urbanization and mineral wealth, especially in regions like Jharkhand and Chhattisgarh, drive industrialization. Cities like Mumbai and Bengaluru emerge as economic nuclei with land values skyrocketing, paving the way for infrastructure growth. It is a biodiversity reservoir. We have different kinds of forests, from the Sundarbans to the Western Ghat, with many unique animals and plants. Our forests help bring rain and clean the air, especially in places like the Western Ghats. Forests, spanning about 24% of India's terrain, balance the climate and sustain rivers, especially in regions like the Western Ghats and the Northeast. Andaman and Nicobar Island offer a commanding position in the Indian Ocean, crucial for India's trade and defense. Dominance over regions from Dhanbad's coal mine to Assam's tea gardens carries immense economic and strategic importance. Territorial disputes such as in Jammu Kashmir impact international relations and national security. Land in India isn't just soil and rocks, it's a big part of our culture. Festivals like Pongal and Baisakhi are all about thanking the land for the food we grow. Tribes like Santals live closely with nature. For them, the land is like family, and their traditions show that. Look at Warli painting from Maharashtra. They show farming scenes and tell us how important land is to the people. So from celebrations to art, land plays a big role in India's story.